As we all know, relationships can be complicated, and it's not always easy to gauge someone's interest or take the first step toward initiating a connection. However, with our practical advice and tried and true tips, you'll be well on your way to igniting a spark and getting him to chase you in no time. In this video, we will be sharing with you expert tips and techniques from leading relationship gurus on how you can start making a man chase you. We will delve into the science of attraction and explore the psychology of why men love the chase. But we're not just here to give you tricks and techniques. We want to empower you to be your best self and magnetize the kind of man who truly values and cherishes you. So sit back and get ready to learn some invaluable insights that will help you attract the man of your dreams. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, dress to impress. Your clothing can significantly affect your appearance, confidence, and overall attractiveness. Therefore, it is crucial to choose clothes that accentuate and highlight your best features. Depending on your body type, skin tone, and personal style, you can choose from a range of options, such as high-waisted skirts, wrap dresses, fitted jeans, or high-neck tops. It's also important to remember that dressing well doesn't necessarily mean wearing expensive or trendy clothing. It's all about finding what suits your personal style and makes you feel comfortable. A tip to implement this strategy successfully is to pay attention to the details. For instance, you can choose accessories that complement your outfit, such as a statement necklace, a wristwatch, or a pair of earrings. Additionally, grooming is an essential component of dressing to impress. Ensure that your hair, nails, and makeup are immaculate and well-maintained. Remember, when you take the time to present yourself well, others will take notice. So be intentional with the clothes you choose and let your personality shine through your outfit. This is the first step in making him chase after you. Number 2, ask for help from time to time. This might seem counterintuitive, especially if you view it as a sign of weakness. But in reality, asking for help can actually be a powerful tool in the art of seduction. From an evolutionary perspective, men are wired to respond positively to women who show vulnerability. This goes back to our hunter-gatherer ancestors when women would rely on men to provide for them and protect them from danger. Although times have changed and women are more independent now, men's primitive instincts still play a role in their behavior. When you ask a man for help, you are sending him a signal that you trust him and see him as someone who can provide value in your life. This can make him feel more important and appreciated, which can in turn make him more attracted to you. In addition, when you show vulnerability and ask for help, you are creating a bond of trust and intimacy between the two of you. This can lead to deeper conversations and a more meaningful connection. Of course, it's important to use this tip in moderation and not to overdo it. You don't want to come across as needy or helpless, as this can be a turnoff for many men. Instead, try to find opportunities to ask for his assistance in a natural and authentic way. Number 3, play the long game and be a little mysterious. Mastering the art of playing the long game is a powerful strategy to ignite a man's pursuit. This means that you should act as though you are not initially interested in him and keep him wondering for a while. Once he's intrigued, you should gradually start showing more signs of interest and let him know that you are interested in him. This strategy works well for a number of reasons. Firstly, when you play hard to get, it creates a sense of mystery and intrigue that can be very attractive to men. Men are often drawn to challenge and enjoy the thrill of the chase. Secondly, when you don't show your hand right away, you can avoid coming across as too eager or desperate, which tends to be a turnoff for men. By being mysterious, you not only leave your partner curious about you, but also create an aura of excitement around yourself that can be very attractive. However, it is crucial to maintain a balance between being mysterious and too aloof, as being overly mysterious or distant can also be a turnoff. When you're talking with him, avoid sharing too much personal information about yourself. This means not divulging your entire life story or giving away details about your work or family life. Instead, focus on lighter topics like hobbies, interests, or fun experiences you've had. The goal is to strike a balance between being engaging while still keeping him curious. Remember, being mysterious is not about being evasive or hard to get. It's about leaving him wanting more and keeping him intrigued. By following these tips, you will leave him yearning to get to know you better. Number 4, have your own life. Let him know that you have other things going on apart from him. When you have your own life, it shows that you are independent, confident, and interesting. It tells the person you are interested in that you are not just sitting around waiting for them to make a move, and that you have a strong sense of self-worth. This can be especially attractive to men who often prefer women who are confident and self-assured. Of course, this doesn't mean that you should completely ignore the person you are interested in. It's important to make time for them as well, but just make sure that they know that you have other things going on apart from them. This will make you more interesting to them and will also prevent you from becoming too clingy or dependent on them. So, pursue your own hobbies and let them know you have a fulfilling life beyond the relationship. Number 5, don't be afraid of rejection. Embrace the fact that rejection is a natural part of the dating game and don't let it hold you back. In fact, it's an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. This mindset will give you the confidence to attract your ideal partner and nurture a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. Remember, rejection does not define your self-worth or value as a person. Everyone has unique preferences and tastes when it comes to romantic interests, and just because someone isn't interested in you doesn't mean that there is anything inherently wrong with you. Ultimately, rejection can lead to finding someone who is a better match for you and your needs. So embrace rejection and let it take you one step closer to finding the right person for you. As we come to the end of this video, I sincerely hope that you've gained some valuable insights and tips that you can put into practice right away. Building a healthy and engaging relationship with someone special is a wonderful experience that everyone deserves. It's no secret that most women desire to be pursued and desired by the opposite sex. However, it's not always easy to achieve this goal. That's why it's important to learn effective strategies and techniques that will help you make your partner chase you, not the other way around. Experiment with the different tips and see what works best for you. And don't forget to share your feedback and progress in the comments section below. You never know who you could inspire or mentor in their dating journey. Keep in mind that every situation is unique, so don't be afraid to adapt and adjust as needed. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more empowering relationship advice. And until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed.